Hello, this is the Freddy Podcart here, and today we have Slitherio. So this is my first Slitherio video. You tied it both you tied Slitherio 15 minutes and 20 minutes. I'm going for 20 minutes, and I'm sorry for the late upload. I've been having some problems with my recording software and all that. So let's just get right in. I am the starry person again, of course. You know, someone right off the bat. Cool. I'm gonna get you. No, I guess not. And I wanna attack someone. Ooh, he just ran into me. How dumb. How dumb of him. How dumb of him. I'm a snake and I'm wobble. What? Okay, something is slowly. Ah! Oh, my nose is itchy. No. I hate when my nose gets itchy because then I gotta take my finger off the screen and then itch it and then I crash. Well, get eaten. If you know what I'm saying. Probably not. And and, ooh, lag. What was that about? What was that? What was that? Okay. Come here, Mr. Green. Come here. Gotcha! Ooh. I want to get the blue guy. I want to circle him. No! This isn't funny. It's not funny, sir. Not funny at all. Yay! Someone huge. Well, not that huge, but big. No. Okay, what score? I'm 491. I can't even speak. What was that? Must run. Ooh! No, sir. No, sir, you will not do that to me. No. What is wrong with me? I just sped right into him. No, I'm gonna play. I want to play. Huge guy. I can't even turn. Oh, my nose is itchy again. Ooh. And eat this all. Why did I not get any? What is? Why am I blah blah blah? Come here. You will die. Okay, I got him. Ooh, well that was. He didn't give me anything except one little blob. I'm right. Ooh, I'm directly in the middle. Okay, that's not good, is it? Actually, you know what? That was pretty good. Never mind what I say. Never mind. I will go for you. No comment. No. I wasn't. Was I any? I thought I went in front of him. Not happy. So I'm gonna eat this guy because I'm hungry. No, I want I want all of it. Thank you. Really? You're gonna do that to me? Fine, do that. Yes. I keep getting people right away. No. What in the world? What is blah? What? I can't speak. I'm not speaking the English. Oh, that was a close one. Where are you? I will get this guy, I guess. Okay, thank you. Thank you for destroying yourself. I will eat every blob. Every little circle blob. My circle blob. None of you little people can have it. There we go. Perfect. Got him in. He doesn't even know what to do. I almost got myself eaten by some little guy that was trapped inside of me. I don't know how. I want to see if I can make it to the leaderboard. I'm on 75 right now. And I'm turning around because this guy scares me. Scares me a lot. Come here. You know what? No! I want to smash this. I want to smash Slitherio. Because I can eat everybody. Yay, no. You will not take my blobs. My blobs. So hard to turn when you're this big, even though I'm not that big. Yay. You got eaten. Get wrecked. No. No. Let's play again. I get revenge. I will, just like those animals on Crossy Road. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the top right. I bet you have, though. But if not, then you can. You can just look at it. Just a peek, you know. Maybe watch the whole thing. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Oh, wait. I don't know why I stopped talking. I need to get this lonely little guy. No! You make me want to scream. You better come here. You better get over here. I'm kind of starting to sound like log.zip. You know what? Shout out to him. I'll put a link to him in the description so you can view his channel too. He's kind of crazy. Just so you know. Just so you know. Now, Slitherio sometimes makes me mad and sometimes makes me happy. And sometimes I eat everything. Yup. Silence. The furry pug cart will get revenge. Will get revenge. Who ate me? Blah, blah, blah. Ooh, yeah, that. I thank you for that. I thank you. Wait, why am I singing Jaws? I'm getting slow. I don't like it. I don't like to use the speed boost because I lose size, length. I'm at 109 or 10. I don't know. So I need the da ba 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 ba. What am I doing? So I'm gonna eat that snake. Whoop! And team with me. You want a team? No, you don't get to team. That's what I say. There we go. Eat him. I just don't like the fact that when you constrict someone else can constrict you while you're constricting someone else. If that even makes sense. Purple guy. Give me. Ooh! Thank you, red man. No, it's mine. You know what? I'm gonna get you just for fun because you ate my blobs. No! Come on! Of course, when I trap somebody, I'm the one who actually dies. That's not good. At least I can eat. I'm eating a lot of nice blob food. It tastes really good. Ah! What was that voice that I did? USA, you're going down. That was close. He just ran into me. He didn't even try to stay alive. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's really nice of you to do that. Yep. It is still in 10th place. Yep. Wait, Ryan? I see a person named Ryan, except I'm not actually playing online, so it's not the real Ryan that you saw in one of my Crossy Road videos. It's not that Ryan. Yeah, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, you will not live on. I sounded so weird. That guy was huge mungious. He was huge mungious, and I just ate the Mr. Huge Mungious. Okay, that was kind of close. Maybe I should get this, and this, and maybe some of this. Okay, so I'm sorry my game crashed. So let's get back into this. Yeah, my game crashed and yeah, I had to restart. I'm not gonna even bother typing my name back in, really. There's really no point, since no one sees it anyway, because I'm not playing online, as you might know. I'm gonna do this and then trick someone into getting hit by me. Ooh, look, I made a friend. Bye-bye. Ooh, I almost got 2 people. Whoa, why am I going in circles? Okay, ooh, this guy looks nice. You look tasty. That sounded so wrong. Okay, where can I eat some food here? Just want to eat some food. Oh yeah, that's some food right there. Some food right there if I ever saw some. I don't know what that noise was. I don't know. What was that laugh? Okay, let me go get that. I am Slither. I am the king of Slitherio. So, that was close. I will eat you. Woo. That was a close one. I'm not good at rapping people, constricting people, because I always get hit by other snakes. I always hit other snakes. Don't know what that meant, but okay. So I wanna eat you. What? Why did I stop speeding? There we go. That's nice. Really nice. It's not that great of a worm. But hey, it'll do. It's food. I'm good for food. I like food. So, yeah. Eat the food. Now run away so no one else constricts me. No one constricts me. Why am I doing these weird voices? I don't know. I really, really don't know. I really, really don't know. I really, really don't know. Oh, oh, oh. Really don't know. I really, really don't know. Why am I singing? I don't know why I sing so much. My length was 2,000. Wait, no. Yeah, 2,771. Okay. That's what my score was. Yay, lots of food. Derp, 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 derp. Blah, 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 blah. I like purple snakes. That's why I like to eat purple snakes. I don't like being a purple snake. Because purple shep. Wait, purple. Why do I keep saying these YouTubers? Okay. I'll put purple shep and log.zip in the description. Yeah, okay. Okay. What is wrong with me? I don't know. I don't know. So then, Sylvania. Wait, what? Sylvania's a brand. Something is really wrong with me today. Something is really wrong with me. I will eat anything. Nah, not happy. Not happy. At least I was small. That's a good thing. Good thing I wasn't huge. I want to get huge and then hide in the corner so no one eats me. But that'll never happen because I'll never get huge because you know how I am with games. You all know how I am with a lot of games. Crossy Road and Slitherio, mainly. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What is that guy doing? He's speeding. Wait, what? Wait, you're Nyan Cat. And how do I know what that is? Because, well, you don't want to know why. Ooh. I bit him. I bit him square in the face. I will chop. Wait, chop. No, chop. What is it? Why am I saying chop? Chop. I will chop. Why would I chop? I don't even have anything to chop with. Do 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 do. Yay! Do 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 do. Nope. Okay. Why in the world are all these things coming in my head? Why do I have Mario in my head? That's really weird. Mario in my head. Why Mario? Why? Why Mario? Why? Mario. I will 9. And the blah 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 blah. I'm losing all my blah blah. Floppa! Weirdest sound ever. My channel should be just called Weird Sounds because of the sounds I make. See? Weird sounds. Very weird sounds. Really, really weird sounds. And play. Thank you. What was that sound? Oh. Face palm. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna get so big and Hugo. What? Why am I saying Hugo? I mean huge, not Hugo. I don't even know who Hugo is. Hugo. Maybe Hugo is watching this. Whoever Hugo is, maybe he's watching. I don't know. Because I want to attack this guy and loop him. Yay. He thought he was smart. He was not. It thought it was smart. Why is it confusing me by going on these twisty turns? Okay, so I think that's going to be it for today. Bye!